Police investigate this morning's attack on a jogger in Beaumont's West End. Fox 4's Jessica Crawford is live in the studio with our top story. Jessica?
Sheldra, Beaumont police officers are asking people near the 4900 block of Delaware Street to check their security cameras for a man they say attacked a woman during her daily run. Officers say this attack happened around 4 o'clock this morning. Police say a 43-year-old woman was jogging past some bushes when a man grabbed her from behind and tried to pull her into those bushes. Officers say the woman fought back and even might have bitten one of her attacker's fingers. Police describe the attacker as a black male about 5'8" with a medium complexion and a black leather jacket. Officers say a Good Samaritan who was driving by stopped his car to help the woman. Police say the woman was smart to fight back like she did.
It's a morning routine with her. She was running and just caught unaware, but it really seems like she put up a heck of a fight. She did what she had to do to make sure she was safe.
The woman had only a few minor injuries. The Good Samaritan who helped her would like to remain anonymous. He says he hopes others will help people who are in difficult situations. Live in the studio, I'm Jessica Crawford, Fox 4 News.
All right, right place at the right time. Thank you, Jessica.